Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to pause YouTube watch history. So to start, go ahead and load up YouTube app, then click your profile at the bottom right, then click on settings at the top right. Then from here, scroll down and go to manage all history. Then from here, click on saving your YouTube history. So click on that. Now next, scroll down and click on turn off. So click turn off button. So pause YouTube history, read all this, and click on pause. And that's it. Setting is now off. Then click on got it. And that's basically it. Now from here, if you want to turn it back on, just click on turn on. Then scroll down and click on turn on again. And the setting is now on. Then click on got it. And that's it. So if you scroll down, you should see the delete button from here. So just click on that. And if you want to delete all of your history, choose delete all time and then just confirm it. And that's it.